Hey guys, my name is Courtney, for those of you that do not know me, and I am one of the coaches here in Beachbody. Okay, so morning meltdown. What do we need to know before it launches? First things first, what is it? This program is high intense cardio and resistance training for the body. We will need a set of light, medium, and heavy weights. The whole program is 100 workouts and it's broken into 5 phases of 20 workouts. So it'll be, you'll have 10 workouts and then you're going to repeat those workouts and have like challenges within that second week of those 10 workouts. Each workout is 20 to 30 minutes long. But what is really awesome is 100 workouts does not mean 100 days. We do not have to get this done in 100 days. We can take as long as we want to get it done. I put on here that there is a B100 card cover book, which, oh my God, I'm so excited about. But it's like about a personal development, like you're challenging questions. Jericho like really did her work for this. Jericho is our trainer. There is a live DJ, you guys. I am so pumped. Like some of my girls and I that are like dancers or have dancing backgrounds, we're like amped to the extreme. So we're combining music and movements to feel amazing. Every day is a different workout, but like day 1, 11, 21, blah, blah, blah to 91 are all like the same type of workout, which is really cool. And this program has 2 modifiers. Yes. 2 modifiers. So we have a modifier and a modifier of a modifier, which is great because everybody can do this program. And everybody feels confident that like, hey, I see somebody on the screen doing this and I can do this. I can't do what Jericho's doing and I can't do what that modifier is doing, but I can do what this modifier is doing, which is great. Also, this is a program for pregnant women. If you are pregnant, you can do this. Girls in the test group were pregnant and did this, and this is a phenomenal program for postpartum women. Just double check with your doctor, but it's great for postpartum. Make sure we're promoting this launch. It launches like very shortly. We have a couple of key dates I'm going to go through and all of that. But for people that sign up in June and still want to do the program, they're going to get a promotional code emailed to them from Beachbody that'll give them, access and all of that. Make sure we're sharing success stories of the girls in the test groups. We don't have to ask for permission. They've put it out there. We can use it. Screen record, screenshot, whatever. Tag them. Share their stuff. And follow them. I know in Beatnik, there were 10 girls from our crew that were in this test group, which is awesome. A couple other things we want to be sharing is like our girl crush on Jericho. We all know we got them. Your love for live music, because there is a live DJ. Your morning routine, whether you actually work out in the morning or you work out at night. I tend to work out in the afternoons or night, unless it's summertime and I'm off from work, then I'll work out in the morning. This is designed to wake up in the morning to like get your endorphins going, start your day on the right foot. But for some people, it's just not possible or they just can't wake up. Don't worry about it. You don't have to do it in the morning. And be real. Start sharing your feelings and emotions about committing to 100 days because people are intimidated by that. Some key dates. Some things are already live in our Beachbody office, so get there now and get those resources. In 4 days. 4 days, we have a free workout that launches. We can share this on our social media, share it with potentials. I think it's getting like linked in our back office, which we can like send to people or whatnot, which is awesome. July, we have a VIP early access tracker. Coaches can access the program July 1st to the 15th. And within that window, coaches only will get those 10 free workouts. So we can watch and do it as many times before they come down on July 15th. July 16th is when customers can purchase. And then July 29th is when the whole program launches. So July 15th for us, programs will come, or the workouts will come down, and then they're off until the 29th when the whole program launches. And then there will be a launch group, a launch group trainer with Jericho, for existing coaches that starts on July 29th and goes to August 11th. We want in on that. August, we should be running our first challenge group and starting our second group with the tracker that is in the Beachbody Champions page. I don't think I linked it here, but we can find it. And then our first group ends. September 3rd is when the second group launches. And it ends on the 16th. And the last day to get in that group is obviously on the 3rd. And then October 1st, this whole program launches for everybody on BOD. We have a lot of packages that are available to us, so we really want to go through this. I'm just going to kind of like go through them. Every package will have the accessory bundle, which is the dry erase calendar, marker, B100 book, quick start and nutrition guide, and then the VIP early access. Digital streaming only gets VIP early access, but every package gets the accessory bundle plus a little bit something more depending on how high up you go. The differences between the challenge and the completion is the challenge has BOD and the completion does not. So if they already have BOD, make sure they're not getting a challenge pack, or have them like maybe cancel and then re-sign up. We have a deluxe package. Jericho has her own package, which, hallelujah, looks bangin'. And then our mega package, which has a lot in it as well. You feel free to pause and check those out. So we have 2 super trainer launch groups with Jericho. They're all going to be I don't know how they're going to be run, if they're going to be on Facebook or if they're going to be in our back offices or what. But the 29th through the August 11th is for existing coaches, and then September 3rd through September 16th is for new coaches. And in it, Jericho will be posting like trainings, answering questions, giving us tips, advice, all of that. And then there will be 2 business trainings per week. So like marketing, content creating, inviting, all of that good stuff. This is the program that we want to get into. We want to get in that first launch group, and we want our new coaches in this second one because it'll really help them with their businesses and understanding MM100. October 1st is when it launches on BOD, and then they have a launch group dedicated towards customers. We can get into it. The group will be linked on the BOD members only group in Facebook, and there's no purchase required. Everybody kind of has access to it because it'll be live on BOD. So I know I went through that super, super fast, but I was like on a time crunch. And I wanted to make sure you got this. So make sure you're hashtagging when you're posting Morning Meltdown 100, MM100, Morning Meltdown, whatever. Share those stories. Really be real with everybody on here. And I'm just going back to me just so I can make sure I'm still on time. Wow, I flew through that. Sorry. Hello. I'm just going over my notes to make sure I have everything. Follow Jesse Blake, who is the DJ, the live DJ on MM100 on Instagram. He's like the Carlton of DJ Pauly D. Like, one of the girls said that, and I found that hilarious. But he's really, really good at what he does. So make sure you follow him. He's really good. Just hype up your love for this program, for Jericho, for DJing, live DJ workouts, listening to music. I think I did a poll today about like who loves working out with music, and like everybody was like me, and I was like, well, do I have a program for you? Really contact like girls you know that love to dance or enjoy dancing or have a dancing background or a martial arts background, because martial arts is mixed into this as well, so it's going to be amazing. Make sure you're like breadcrumbing or dripping, whichever term you use now, all of that in your stories, in your social media, and, you know, just kind of hyping it up. This is going to be huge, and we don't want to like, you know, wait till the last minute. We really want to start getting it going now. Trying to think. Oh, one of the girls in the test group said within those 10 days of workouts, those free 10 workouts that we get on July 1st to July 29th, or July 1st to July 15th, make sure that you do your measurements beforehand and your measurements after those 10 days and progress pics, because she said you're going to see results. If you go like balls to the wall, you're going to see results. Now, obviously, I can't go balls to the wall, which I'm not happy about it, but I'm still going to take like beginning progress pics and after progress pics, just to show like, hey, I'm modifying and these are my results. So I think that'll be really beneficial to a lot of customers as well. And just keep promoting. This is the program that everybody and anybody can do. Pregnant women can do it. Postpartum can do it. Men can do it. Women can do it. Women of all shapes, men and women of all shapes and sizes, because there's 2 modifiers. So if you can't do what Jericho's doing or another modifier, you can probably do what another, like the modified modifier is doing. And I know in certain workouts, I'm going to be following the modified modifier, and that's okay. We're still doing the program. We're still getting, the experience. And I always tell the girls, if you can't do a move, just groove. Like, it's a dancing thing. If there's a live DJ, like, let's get it on, right? Let's get going. But other than that, there is a free workout, like I said, that launches in 4 days. So what is that? Monday? Sunday? I don't even know. But that free workout launches on the 24th. We'll have the link. So do it. Create content from that. Create content from those 10 free workouts. Make sure you sign up. On the 1st, it's very hot in here, I'm sorry, on the 1st through the 15th, because after the 15th, those workouts come down, and then they're not going to be posted again until the 29th when the program launches for VIP early access. So make sure we get in on that. Create a lot of content, because if you're going to Summit, we're at Summit, while this program is like, these workouts are still kind of like being dropped in, those 10 workouts. So create content, grab your girls and do like a video for MM100 or do a workout and create some content from that, so you guys can like breadcrumb it throughout until that program launches. Guys, I can't stress it enough. We really, really got to hype this program up. It's going to be huge, and I'm so excited. So with that, I can't wait to see you in MM100, because I'm ready. But other than that, yeah, that's it. Let's get going. Bye, guys.